Yo, here we are in Inglewood. I'm coming from my buddy's house, and on my way home I noticed they're doing a demolition here, so I decided to get it on camera and let everybody know that this historic building, which was a racetrack, is going to be torn down, and someday will be an NFL stadium, perhaps. Let's go down and look at it a little bit more. There's a forum down there where the Lakers, won so many championships, and as you come this way, it would be the racetrack, the horse races, and now they're going to be making apartments, retail stores, and perhaps someday an NFL stadium. Anyway, I'll show you guys in about a couple weeks or 2 weeks, let you see the update on how it looks. We're out here in Inglewood, California, signing off.